every pet knows, it's a dangerous world. You'd be crazy not to worry.
Max, you're never gonna believe it. We're going on a trip.
Really?
I love the car.
It's the best!
Maybe a break from the city is just what you need. This place is...
What? What did I do? What did I do? I couldn't see him because of the cone.
Then get rid of the cone.
My therapist says I need it. It's a medical device. These doctors.
There. You're cured. Hallelujah. What are you doing down there? Don't panic.
Oh, she caught the red dot.
All hail the Queen!
Yo, I'm gonna be the first bunny with washboard abs. I need you for a top secret rescue. Whoa!
Pops, are your friends gonna die?
Pickles, don't be so dramatic.
I'm gonna die, gonna die, gonna die!
But yes, probably.
The first step of not being afraid
No, 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 no! This is it!
is acting like you're not afraid.
Where are you going?
So, are you scared?
No.
Are you scared?
No. No, I'm not.
Now you're talking.
Buckle up, everyone!
You want to join me?